Hello friends, today I have a new poem for you all. A love poem. In my previous video, I spoke about a love poem and that was What is Love? But today, this love and this love poem will impress you. Because in this love poem, you will see that how absence speaks to the lover. And the name of the poem is Isn't It You? On to the daily desk, many letters I write. What makes my pen run? Forgetting wholly the clock. Who fills this infinite ink? Isn't it you? That small round star, like a miniature moon, appears in a crack of my old wall, broken, without maintenance. Isn't it you? A pervading presence in my acute void, the surveillance of yours, making myriad meanings. Whom do all this suggest? Isn't it you? Thank you.